So hello guys, welcome back to another series of one lab and one badge. That is, when you complete this badge you will get one skill badge. So we are in the lab of get started with Google Workspace tools. So now click on start challenge. You will be redirected to the challenge lab, and this lab is totally manual, so you need to follow each step via video only. So make sure to watch it carefully so that you don't make any mistake, and I will cover all the solution like this for this lab only. So let's start. First of all, click on start lab. Now you have to open Gmail incognito window. In my case it got signed in automatically. In case you need username and password, as always you can refer to the lab instructions. So wait. So now click on I understand. Now Gmail is opening. Here on task number 1 we have to insert a signature. So first of all, as you can see, this is our Gmail inbox. Make sure you are not signed in on your personal Gmail. This is lab Gmail. So let's see. So now you have to click on the gear icon, that is basically known as settings. So as you can see, here is the settings. Click on settings. Remove this unwanted pop-up. Click on settings. See all settings. Now make sure you are in the general section. Now scroll down a bit. So as you can see, here is the signature. So for signature, click on create signature. Now for signature name, you can write any name. So let's subscribe to the channel in case you haven't subscribed to it. Also like the video and do check the playlist for all the remaining 10 labs. So now here you can type any message, just like I am writing. You have to write it too, means you can write any message in the box. So now for signature, select the name which you just entered. Now click on insert and then save changes. So now let's move to the lab instruction and see whether we get a score or not. As you can see, we got full score without any issue. Now we'll move forward to the task number 2, and here I will show you how you will get error and how you should avoid it. So from here, just open calendar. Now sometimes calendar reloads, so wait for some time, and in case if it's reloads, as you can see it's reloading, need not to worry, just wait for some time. Now you can select any theme. I like dark mode, so I will select dark mode, so it does not impact the lab progress. You can select any. Now click on create. Now from here we have to select out of office, and from here we need to select all day and scroll down a bit. It should be public. Now click on save. Now save and decline. Now let's see whether we get full score or not in this task. So basically we won't get score because here's catch. We did one mistake. We haven't named it. So the name we have to update. We just use default name. As you can see, it's out of office. Now you can just rename it and save it. I intentionally did this because a lot of you guys may miss and make errors. So make sure to watch the video carefully. So now let's move forward to the third task, that is we have to create a folder in the drive. So first of all, click from here. As you can see, drive is here. Click on drive. Now wait for the drive to open. Now from here you have to create any folder. So now click on new, then folder, write any name, like this video if you haven't. Now let's move forward to the lab instruction and check my progress. So let's hit check my progress for this task. As you can see, we got the score without any issue. Now we will move forward to the task number 4. So task number 4, as you have seen, click on event, create event. In case you have closed the calendar, you can open it via that as we did previously. So now for name, we have to name anything, but I will prefer whatever name I am using in this task, basically event task calendar 1. make sure to write the similar to this because they might have updated the lab, so you may face issue if you don't use. So write the name. Now from here you have to select every weekday. Select every weekday from Monday to Friday. Have you selected? Alright. Now we will add guest. So as we are sending the event, so basically we send it to guests. So for email you can use lab email as mentioned here, the two email. Enter the email. Now for second also you need to select like this. Click on the email and click on save and then send. Now the email has been successfully sent and the meetings have been scheduled. So you got the score without any issue. Now task 5 and 6 are very easy, so make sure to watch it carefully. So click on sheets. Now from here click on blank spreadsheet. So sheet is opening. Now we have to rename it project task sheet. So just rename it. Click on the untitled sheet to rename it. Wait for the sheet to get fully loaded. So as you can see, the sheet has been successfully loaded. Now we have to rename it. So click here and just replace the name. Now for the column headers, that is basically on the A shell, like this on number 1, A1, B1, C1, we have to add this as titles. So do it one by one. Make sure there is no any extra space, otherwise you may face unnecessary error. Also do check the playlist for all the remaining labs. Now click on share. For sharing you can use any email. So change it to Qwiklabs and add the email here. And now click on send. Now click on check my progress. You will get a score without any issue. Now for the task number 6, open app sheet. Click on sign in. Select Google. Now from here click on continue. Allow. Now click on cross, click on create app, then blank app. Now for name you can type any name, so I will type this only until you subscribe to the channel. So for category, select customer engagement, click on create app. Now you will move forward to the lab instruction once the app is created. So finally, as you can see, the app has been created. Now let's hit check my progress. You will get a score without any issue. Now I will show how you will claim the entire badge. So first of all, wait. So as you can see, we got 100 out of 100. Now click on end lab. Now click on the get started with Workspace tool. So as you can see, we got a congratulations message. That means we have won the badge and all the labs will be marked as done. You can refresh or just you can check your public profile or just a description from this course only, as it's showing course has been complete. So thank you guys. Have a great day ahead. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys in the next one. Do check the playlist for remaining videos.